Hello there, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I am back today to announce that the July Sheetload of Cards is ready for download. I hope you'll stick around and find out how you can download it if you're a subscriber to my channel. I'm so excited to be back with the second video in my Sheetload of Cards series here on YouTube. Last month I introduced this series, and each month I plan on coming back with a new freebie printable for subscribers to my channel. On the printable, you get a look at the sketch you'll be creating, you get the supply list and it tells you how many cards you're going to yield, and then on the back, or if you print it on 2 pages from home, the next page is the cutting guides, and it tells you how exactly to cut everything to make the most out of your paper. Just like in June, this month's Sheetload of Cards will yield 12 cards when you're all finished. To make these 12 cards, this is all that you need, besides, basic other supplies like cutters and adhesive. But for paper, you need 2 pieces of 12 by 12 pattern paper, 4 pieces of solid cardstock that coordinate with the pattern paper, and then 6 pieces of cardstock that you cut and fold into your card bases. So that is all you need to get 12 cards so you can build your stash. Now, if you don't want 12 cards but you like this sketch, I have also provided the dimensions of each piece on the card, so you can just do 1 or 2 if you would like. Down at the bottom, I always try to give you some alternatives or how you can make it a little bit different. This month, and you'll see that I did this in this first set, you could also turn the sketch to the side like that. So if your sentiment or image is more vertical, this would be great for you. So today I just stopped by to tell you about the new file. In a little bit, I'll tell you how you can download it. But for now, I'm going to share a look at the first set of cards that I created using it. And then tomorrow, I'll be back with the process video so you can see how you put this month's sketch together. If you've watched my channel very long, you know a few things. That I like to make clean and simple cards, and I love gold foil. So today's card set is perfect for that. With a Sheetload of Cards, you can make it as basic or as extravagant as you want by what you add to your cards. For today, I just used a sentiment and then a few gems to add some more sparkle. So here's a look at each one of the cards. To go along with the gold edges on the cards, I did use a gold embossing powder on my sentiment. I thought that the green gems pulled out the color of the background paper nicely. And my sentiments that I chose, half of them are about friendship and the other half are kind of encouragement or inspirational. These would be great to keep in your own stash to send out, or you could put them with some envelopes in a nice gift box and give them as a gift. Now, like I mentioned before, if your image or sentiment doesn't fit landscape, you can always change the sketch to horizontal. So here I did that because not only was my sentiment larger than most of the others, it took up more space, but it was also going top to bottom. So that was just an easy fix to be able to use that stamp. Now, if you would like to download the Sheetload of Cards and start making some cards of your own, here is what you'll do. First of all, I do ask that you are a subscriber to my channel. To make it easy for me and easy for you, we just go on the honor system here. All the way at the bottom of my description box below is a link that says July 2019 Sheetload of Cards. You will just click on that, and then you can either view the file online or you can print it. If you do create cards of your own and you would like to share them with me and possibly my subscribers, make sure to submit your cards for my end of the month Show Us Your Sheetload video. If you are interested in having them considered for the end of the month video, I do need you to submit those or post those by midnight on July 25th. That way I have time to get them all together and make them into a video. As always, you can find all of my SheetLoad of cards in my playlist below, and then I will also make a special playlist for just the July cards so you can check those out. If you enjoyed this video today, I always appreciate a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you would like access to the file, make sure to click on the subscribe button below and maybe even on that bell for notifications. If you're already a regular viewer and subscriber, welcome back. I'm glad that you were here. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.